Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about how to stop dandruff. This is part 3 of our dandruff series. Here are the top remedies for dandruff. Wash hair regularly. Maintain hygienic conditions. Wash hair after a day or two. Lather the shampoo in hair and gently massage the scalp to help break up the buildup on the scalp. Always avoid using too much hot water during the shower, especially in winter. Rinse it with slightly warm water for proper removal of oil excreted from the scalp. Take special care after the gym. Sweat will make your dandruff worse. Try getting a shower as soon as possible. Use anti-dandruff shampoo. Wash your hair with any good anti-dandruff shampoo. It will surely help clear away the mild, pesky flakes of dandruff after using 2 or 3 times. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, shampoos containing coal tar have a tendency to discolor blonde, gray, or white hair. Check your shampoo extra carefully if you have light-colored hair. Avoid hair styling products. It has become common practice to use hairsprays, gels, and mousse while styling hair. Try not to use all such products. They add to the buildup of dandruff on the scalp. Natural hair is an easy and good look anyway. For a glossy look, put a few drops of oil on your hands, rub them together, and apply it to your hair. It'll work perfectly for any party or get-together, maintaining the length and making your hair sleek. Avoid scratching. Dandruff may cause the scalp to feel itchy and irritated. Oil secretion from sebaceous glands adds to this irritation. Simply avoid scratching if you can. It may cause injuries to the skin, aggravating the problem. Consult a dermatologist. If the time period of dandruff has become too long or is continuously increasing, showing signs of a serious medical condition, consult a dermatologist. Usually, seborrheic dermatitis does not need a consultation with the doctor. We'll go ahead and leave a link below for some great medicated shampoo. Meanwhile, leave a comment below. Have you ever had dandruff? What do you think caused it, and how did you resolve the issue? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes I had a hard time falling asleep, especially before big events at work. My mind would race. Rest more allows my mind to relax naturally, and it helps me get to bed at the same time every night. Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try buyrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.